Okay, we're back to discuss another test. This test is called the root test. Once again, we have the series, sum of the AK. We need non-negative terms to use the root test, so we don't have to have positive terms, but basically we do. So non-negative terms. And we're going to look at, I think this is actually a row, but we'll call it P, is the limit k goes to infinity of the kth root of a to the k. And we have three conditions here. Condition 1, if this p is greater than 0, less than 1, then this converges. If p is greater than 1, then our series will diverge. And if p equals 1, we have an inconclusive test. So, let's look at the sum k equals 1 to infinity of 2 to the k over k to the 10th. We would look at our p would be the limit k goes to infinity of the square root of k, or sorry, the kth root of 2 to the k over k to the 10th. Well, the kth root of 2 to the k is 2. That leaves us with the limit k to infinity of 2 over, if you bring in the kth root as a power, this would be k to the 10 over k. So I can rewrite that as k to the 1 over k to the 10. Well, we know that the limit of k to the 1 over k is 1. We've done that limit in the past. So this becomes then 2 over 1 to the 10th in the limit, which is 2. So this is 2. And if we go back to our test, if this limit is greater than 1, the series diverges. So we have a divergent series. Okay? Let's look at another example. Here we have the sum k equals 1 to infinity of 1 plus 3 over k to the k squared. We're going to look at the kth root of this. So we end up looking at the limit k goes to infinity of 1 plus 3 over k to the k. That's our p term. And I'd like to find the value of this limit. Well, this is one that we have to use L'Hopital's rule on, and we need to get it into the natural log form to drop the k. So what we end up looking at is the limit as k goes to infinity of k times 1 plus 3 over k. And then at the end we're going to have to do e to this answer. Well, rewriting that as the limit k goes to infinity of 1 plus 3 over k over 1 over k, and then taking derivatives for L'Hopital's rule. We have negative 3 over k squared, negative 1 over k squared, and that limit is 3. So e to the 3 is our limit. Again, e to the 3 is greater than 1, and our series diverges. Okay, those were a couple series that we explored with the root test, and that's it for this video.